afternoon to principal sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Amit Thakre, and I am here to deliver my view on the topic of role of teacher in nation building. Teachers are the future builders of our country. They are the provider of knowledge and wisdom. They are the basic source of education for most of the people of the country, and they are the ones who builds the future of the nation. The teacher can very easily decide what they want to nation to look like a educated country. They have ability and strength to fight the odds and make India a powerful and well educated country. Teachers has a role in nation building because the future is totally in their hand. They choose to be the builders of the country. If you really want to know how important teachers are for their country, try imagining a nation without them. It will only be a nation where nobody will set up to make sure kids get the best education and the knowledge to a good and healthy life. There, here the few characteristics of the role that our teacher play every day in a single day. A nation comprised of the children way more than the adults. The children are the future, and the teacher are the one of the getting them ready for their tasks. Education, wisdom, explore, and resources. The teachers are building for the nation for tomorrow bricks by bricks, and foundation is so solid that the nation will be only grow upward. Teacher is a professional is probably the most challenging because it's combined all professionals in order to help child grow. One has the have communication skill, manager skills, reading skill, writing skills, and storytelling skill. Everything. The teacher have selfless and chosen the path where they will be working for the mankind for its good. Not everybody has the heart to do it. The leader of today are getting the leaders for tomorrow ready. The teachers not only make the children so that he and she can earn enough to the normal lifestyle. They also provide words of wisdom every day which shape of personality for the child. Many children are influenced by the teachers more than parents. Today we can see the teachers have moved on for the basic image of strict teacher. They have become much more for their students. They provide a friendly shoulder to cry on when the children is in a problem. They tell about the life so that child could be take lessons and apply to his own life and guide the child to follow the right path. Teachers are one of the who have full knowledge of the child life, the environment back home, his mindset and his capability. They always try strike a balance between these things to make sure the children's future does not affect it in a bad way. Thank you, sir.